Hello friends, we'll take up a problem on influence line diagram. The problem statement is like this. 2 point loads 40 kilonewton and 60 kilonewton and spaced 6 meter apart cross a girder of 16 meter span. The 40 kilonewton load leading from left to right. We have to construct the maximum shear force diagram and maximum bending moment diagram stating the absolute values. So this is the beam of 16 meter span and two loads are crossing the girder from left to right. That is 40 kilonewton and 60 kilonewton, which are 6 meters apart. First we will calculate maximum negative shear force. For maximum negative shear force we have to use the influence line diagram for the reactions. So the shear force to be maximum negative, we have to place the load like this, that is at the extreme right end, such that the reaction will be at B will be highest. So in that case the shear force is negative. So here if you work out the ordinate, so under 60 kilonewton load it is 0.625 and under 40 kilonewton load that is 1. So if you calculate the maximum shear force negative will be equal to 60 into the ordinate plus 40 into ordinate, that is 77.5 kilonewton. Similarly, for calculating maximum positive shear force, reaction A has to be maximum. So if for the reaction A to be maximum, we have to place the load as shown in the figure. So reaction at A, that is ordinate at A is 1 and ordinate at the below 40 kilonewton load is 0.625. So if you calculate, the maximum positive shear force works out to 60 into 1 plus 40 into 0.625, that is 85 kilonewton. For calculating maximum bending moment, absolute maximum bending moment, first you have to find the position of the loads with respect to the beam. For that, first for these two loads, let us calculate the resultant position of the resultant from the first load. So calculating the position of the resultant for the first load, we have to take the moment of all the forces at one of the load. So we will take now at 60 kilonewton load, we get 100 is a sum of 60 plus 40. 100 into x will be equal to 40 into 6 meter, and moment due to 60 kilonewton about itself is 0. So we will get x equal to 2.4 meter. That is from the first load, that is 60 kilonewton load. So for that we have to position 60 kilonewton load at a distance of half of x, that is 1.2 meter from the center of the span. So it will be 60 kilonewton load will be 6.8 meters from the 60 kilonewton load, that is 8 minus 1.2. So if you calculate, if you draw the influence line diagram for bending moment, ordinate at 6.8 meters from A will be 3.91 meter and ordinate at 3.2 meter from B will be, that is 9.2 meter from B will be 1.36 meter. So absolute maximum bending moment below 60 kilonewton load will be equal to 60 into 3.91 plus 40 into 1.36, that works out to 289 kilonewton meter. Thank you.